Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss one of the most important concepts in computer networking, the OSI model. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection. The main idea behind the OSI model is layering. Instead of treating network communication as one huge and complicated process, we divide it into different layers. Each layer has a specific responsibility. The OSI model contains 7 layers from top to bottom: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. Let's start at the top. The application layer is responsible for providing services to the user. It is the layer closest to the applications that users interact with. Next is the presentation layer. This layer is responsible for translation, compression, and encryption, so it helps make sure that data is presented in an appropriate form. Below that is the session layer. The session layer is responsible for dialog control and synchronization. It manages the communication session between applications. Next is the transport layer. The transport layer is responsible for delivering a message that from one process to another. So, while the network layer deals with delivery between hosts, the transport layer focuses on process to process delivery. The network layer is responsible for delivering individual packets from the source host to the destination host. So, this layer is concerned with getting packets across networks towards their destination. The data link layer is responsible for moving frames from one hop or node to the next. So this layer focuses on communication between different directly connected network devices. And finally, we have the physical layer. This is the lowest layer and is responsible for transmitting the raw bit stream. Understanding the layers together. Now, let's understand why we need these layers. Imagine sending a message to someone. At the top, an application needs to provide the service. The information may need to be represented or encrypted. A session needs to be managed. The data needs to be delivered from one process to another. Packets need to be delivered between hosts. Frames need to move from one hop to another. And finally, the actual bit need to travel through the physical medium. So each layer performs a different part of the overall communication. So the main idea of the OSI model is division of responsibility through layers. This makes network communication easier to understand and organize.